Hello, let's be honest here. In fact, you are simply too dumb for Builderall. I think that's the real explanation why you don't have a Builderall account and why you are maybe on ClickFunnels and open to the possibility of moving out of ClickFunnels. You know, if you are not a fan of the brand, but you are open to other software, but you are not on Builderall. It's because you are too dumb for it. That's my explanation, because I see so many videos like this one. Is this better than ClickFunnels? And what is he talking about? Is about talking about another software which looks like ClickFunnels, but it is cheaper. So it has the same features, but it is cheaper. And the video is about how this software looks like ClickFunnels. You can do all the things as ClickFunnels. Even the web page editor has the same color code as ClickFunnels, and blah 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 blah. That's it. You know, no real interesting points, arguments, because the people on ClickFunnels or other software, if they are there and they don't even consider Builderall, it's because they are too dumb for it. Because Builderall is cheaper than ClickFunnels and can do much more than ClickFunnels. But it doesn't look like ClickFunnels. It is better in every way, and it's cheaper. So you know, if you don't know anything about ClickFunnels and Builderall, you agree with me. It's totally stupid to stay on ClickFunnels or to look for other alternatives to ClickFunnels, but which looks like ClickFunnels. You know, because for ease of use, ease of transition. But on the other hand, you have another software, Builderall, which is cheaper and has a lot more features. When I say a lot more, you know, of course, to know how much more, you need to look at it. Look at what the tools it has to offer. And then it's a no-brainer. You would take a Builderall if it was you. But if you are those persons on already paying for ClickFunnels, already building an online business with ClickFunnels, then you are not open, because you have spent time to learn how to use ClickFunnels. And then if you are going to ever move, it will be to another software, cheaper, because ClickFunnels is very expensive. It starts at $100 a month, and it's very limited. So in order to get out of the limitation, you need to pay $300 a month. So it's $10 per day. And then what you get for $300, you can get it on other software. Not only on Builderall, I'm talking about other software, for a fraction of the price. For less than $100, you get what you have and more with ClickFunnels with $300 for $300 a month. But on Builderall, so you get everything that you get on ClickFunnels for $300 and much more, okay? And the price is $69 a month to get everything. So of course it's a no-brainer, but it doesn't look like ClickFunnels. It has so much more potential that it's not the same. It's totally different, but it's to do the same thing. I mean, to do an online business. And for instance, a critique of Builderall that I heard is that it has too many tools, too many features. But you don't have to use those features. If you have a Builderall account, you pay $69 a month and you get access to all the features, but you don't have to use them. What I mean is that they are all features for digital marketing. So if one day you want to use one of those features, you are already paying for it. So you will use it with no additional cost. When you are on ClickFunnels or another software looking like ClickFunnels, when you want to use another feature, it will not be included in your payment. So you will have to pay more and pay it in another company. Separate from ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels doesn't have the feature. I'm talking, for instance, about a chatbot. If you want to put a chatbot on your website, you will have to go to a chatbot company, pay it monthly, and try to integrate it with your current online business made on ClickFunnels. To integrate it, to have them communicate, to exchange information. For instance, the chatbot will ask for the email address. How do you get this email address into your ClickFunnels online business? That may be possible, but you have to look for it. On Builderall, of course, the chatbot communicates with all the other tools, email marketing, even the web page, CRM, many things. And After, there are other arguments in favor of Builderall, like search engine optimization, which is a joke on ClickFunnels. And Builderall, you can rank your pages on top of Google. You have total control. It's better per default. On ClickFunnels, for instance, if you know a little bit, everything on the page is only H1. There is no H2, H3 to organize your page. This is if you know about it. On ClickFunnels, there is only H1. On all the page, several H1. The basic of SEO is that you should have only one H1 per page. On ClickFunnels, no, it's only H1 and many on the page, and no H2, no H3. On Builderall, of course, you can control this and have do it yourself. On ClickFunnels, you can't. But this is, an argument. It's not useful. Most people on ClickFunnels, they don't care. They don't know about this. So you cannot talk to them about it. After, there are other things. For instance, you take the page load time, the time it takes to display the page. On Builderall, it's the fastest. You can take a page speed test and put your page on Builderall and put your page on WordPress, put your page on ClickFunnels. Builderall beats them all, and the measure tool is not made by Builderall. It's an independent one, like the Google Page Speed Insights. You can see it for yourself. But this argument also is too advanced. People say, well, okay, my page on ClickFunnels display fine, quickly enough. So what if it displays even faster on another tool? What does it change? So you cannot talk about those arguments with people. No, you have to say only, oh, it's cheaper than ClickFunnels. It has the same features, and it's easy to use because it's like ClickFunnels. That's the only things you can say. So if you don't take Builderall, it's because you are simply too dumb for Builderall. If you are not disagree with this, leave a comment, and you will see there is no comment below this video because nobody has nothing to say about it. It's true. Voilà. Bye bye.